Good morning, students. I am your new maths teacher for your 10th class. Now we are going to start the chapter 7, that is continuation of last class from Mr. Mani sir, exercise 7.2. Please take your textbook and refer the question from your textbook. Please see the textbook page number 167. First of all, we are going to introduce the section formula. What is the section formula means? Suppose a line segment may be like this. The point A may be 1, 2. We are taking for example, and B point is 5, 6. And this line segment may be divided by some ratios. Suppose this is 2 ratio and this is maybe 3 ratio. If you are taking, this is ratio 2:3. 2 part and 3 part. And this coordinate is what you want to find out. That is x, y. These points we are going to take always x1, y1. And this point always we take x2, y2. And this point x, y, these are called M1 is to M2. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns are there. Any 3 columns are given, another 1 column we want to find. That means either we find the coordinate or we have to find the ratio or the missing value here or the missing value here. For that we are using the formula is called section formula. What is the section formula? Rule means by using section formula. This is only introduction. Then how to use the formula I have to explain. Section formula. That section formula is x value you want to find means m1 always multiplied with 2. That means m1 x2. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the way to find the coordinate of x value. Similarly, y value equal to same m1 go for y2, that is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. In board examination, no mark will be allotted for the formula. Why? Because some students using this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So the ratio may be 3:2. So that they are not considered. Either you can use the line segment to product 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1 divided by 2 plus 3. You can find the answer. So this is the section formula we are going to use for all the question of exercise 7.2. And then we have to go for midpoint. Suppose this is a line segment. The point may be 2, 8. Another point here we are going to take 4, 10. What is the midpoint of both the points? Midpoint means you are going to use the middle part, half of them, 1:1 ratio. That means m1 and m2 will not function. So this is for x1, y1. This is for x2, y2. The ratio is 1:1 means not necessary to consider. Only you want to find the coordinate means x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Actually this is 1:1. That's what 1 plus 1 we write. So x, y can be find out. That is by using midpoint formula. This is for midpoint. Using midpoint formula, the value of x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Directly we wrote divided by 2. Or otherwise 1 into x2, 1 into x1, same answer will come. That's what we write direct. Similarly, y coordinate you want 1 into y2, that is y2 plus y1, same one, that is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So instead of doing the product, because both of them are same, That's what we are using x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. If you substitute these values here, you get what is the midpoint of the line segment. What are the places the section formula and midpoint formula use? If the ratio may be 3 equal parts, 5 equal parts, 7 equal parts, if it is odd number means we are using section and midpoint. Suppose 4 equal parts, 2 equal parts, 6 equal parts means we are going to use midpoint formula. So we are going to use these two formulas for this exercise to complete. So all the sums of exercise 7.2 belongs to either section formula or otherwise by using midpoint formula. So please watch all the videos carefully and save all the videos in Google Drive for your future reference, because once we are going to teach, the same one cannot be repeated again. So please try to save all those things. Instead of the number, you can use the letters for the formula. Numbers we are going to give, for your explanation we have to give. So only for the letters we are going to use. This is section formula, this is midpoint formula. Exercise 7.2 fully related to these two formulas. If you are not write the formula, no problem, but you are going to use what way to product the number by drawing the diagram. I explain all the questions clearly. Please write all the PDF in your classwork notebook and save the video in Google Drive for future reference.